So hey guys, this video I'm going to show you how to create unlimited length Seedance 2.5 clips. So you can actually extend, unlimited, so you can generate 30 seconds, 30 seconds and 30 seconds and combine together, and it will merge seamlessly, so they will not show any end cut where it's not finishing the action. So before, you had to actually pass. For example, I generated this video of my kids that were playing in the game right here, and this is a 30 seconds video, and I created another video right here where it extend right away from here, as you can see, extend, and as you can see, the transition from the extend from here to here is pretty smooth and it's pretty accurate. So it kept everything consistent from the character, and also the props, the environment, and the style as well. So it goes back right here, and then right here there's an extend right here, as you can see. I'm gonna play it for you. There's a little bit of lag, but you can cut this, but overall it's pretty smooth, and kind of like the Seedance 2.5. It generates pretty quickly. If you want to generate, just click the link in my description below. It's pretty fast on Higgsfield. As you can see, I generated right here. So Higgsfield has unlimited as well, but if you're just trying on, don't start with unlimited because it's kind of expensive for what you do. But Seedance 2.5 is right here, and there's another option right here for edit, and so you can also extend with the Seedance 2.5 right here. There's a reference and a extend video, as you can see right here. Extend video, so you can extend and add a video to extend up to 30 seconds. You don't have to pass like the whole 30 seconds, just like the last part where probably like 15 seconds, it's good. And then you can add elements of reference in the new extend video, and you can describe this. And for the extend, you can actually extend backward, where you can build before that, so the scene that came before this video, or you can do forward extend where you continue after. So and then you can reference elements in here just as before. And what I like about here about Higgsfield is that once I generated a video, for example, I generated a video earlier, I'm gonna extend. I can click the extend video, and it's gonna show me my video generations that I had earlier. So for example, I use the reference character right here by clicking on plus, and you can upload any character right here to reference. So I'm gonna upload my two kids, and I create a prompt. You can use that to create the prompt with ChatGPT as well, to create the story and so on, to reference the image right here, image 1 and image 2. Then you want to create with how many lengths you want right here, and the aspect ratio. And also once you generate, this is the video that was generated with Seedance 2.5. It's pretty cool. And so it generated and it finished right here. And so what you could do is you go to extend right here on the tab, and you go click on add to video, and then you go to video generations right here. And on video generation, it's going to show you all the video that were generated inside Higgsfield right here. And so you'll be able, then in video generations, you have all the video you just generated. And this is the video that was first generated, this one. So you can click on that, and it's going to attach that video as reference. And I would actually attach the elements that is in the next video that you are extending. So so these elements are consistent. So you want to upload the characters right here, and you want to do a forward extend, so it's going to continue after the end. If you want to do backward, then that's fine too. It's up to your use case, and you want to use a different prompt right here, because this is the prompt that is the next after this video. And so you want to use like ChatGPT to generate these prompts, so it's the next next scene, next clip, next 30 seconds after this. So you want to select, depending on what your duration you want to extend, so you can choose between 4 seconds up to 30 seconds. And right now you can choose between 480p or 720p. So and the aspect ratio should be consistent fit with the previous clip. And I suggest using the high compression. High data, so it's less compression. It has more data. The file's gonna be bigger, but you're gonna get better quality out of it, and it's gonna cost us 120. So I notice if you actually extend 30 seconds, it's gonna cost 120 credits, which is less than generating a reference. If you do a reference, it's gonna cost more. Usually like 195. So right now it's 120, so I'm kind of surprised. Usually is 195, and that all depends on how many reference you're using, and this as well. So let me refresh this just to show you guys that the credits is, oh, actually the credits has been 120. So the extend, usually I find that it's lower credits, and Seedance 2.5, 30 seconds, you would think like it's gonna generate actually more longer than the 15 seconds Seedance 2.0. So as you can see, like you have Seedance 2.0 right here, and you might think it's gonna take longer, double the time of 15 seconds, because Seedance 2.0 can only generate up to 15 seconds, but actually it's really fast on here on Hicksville, and so at 30 seconds and 120 credits, and so you can extend like this. And once you actually generate it, which I already generated this one, this is after the second clip, this is the second clip, and as you can see, the second clip ends right here. It ends right here at the statue right here. So what I would do, so this is my prompt. As you can see, you can take a look at this. So if you want to extend, after that you have to go to video generation. So click add video to extend, video generation, and then you want to go to right here. This is the second video. The first video was this one, so we're gonna attach a second video to create the third video, and attach elements for the third scene, and also write down the prompt. I would suggest like using ChatGPT as well for the next prompt, so it will know that what character and so on is doing and is talking in here, and you can choose the same duration. So like that you can extend. This is the second clip right here, the third clip generated after that one, and it ends right here. It ends at the Maya pyramid, and this is how you extend. So it start with the Maya pyramid, and it's gonna go through until right here the diamond. And so that's pretty cool. I find that it was pretty quick at generating, and also at extending, it's really good. And I want to show you right here the full video, as you can see. So right here, that's the transition right here. So you can create a full video, and they're running, and then that's 30 seconds. So I'm gonna spare you time. It's pretty good. I found that. And right here, so they're running, and then this is the transition. So you can see like every transition right here, it's smooth. So you can see, I find the text was not that accurate in here. Yeah, so that's the whole movie right here. And so this is the way you can actually extend unlimited. You can make the movie as long as you want, but bear in mind Seedance 2.0 is more expensive than Seedance 2.0, so you can extend as many as you want. And I'm gonna show you another right here use case. And here, this is another example where I generated this video, and so it's moving right here, and it's flying up, and I want to extend this. So I'm gonna use the same thing. As you can see right here, this is the extension. This is the first image, and the extension is here, where when I click is I attach the previous video, which is this one, in here, and I'm gonna write the second part as a forward extend, and I'm gonna keep it 120 120 credits, 30 seconds as well. So this is, as you can see, they were up high in the air, and they're like flying through right here, and it ends right here at the Eiffel Tower. And this is when I use this clip, the second clip, to extend to make the third clip right here. So it starts right at the Eiffel Tower and it cuts right here. So let's see right here the full movie.
Wait, look at that.
A carpet?
No, there's something strange about it.
Okay, that's definitely not normal.
You're thinking what I'm thinking?
Absolutely not. But let's do it.
Oh my.
So as you can see, the transition right here, it's pretty cool. Like, it was pretty accurate. It's probably like you have to cut some milliseconds of frame right here to make it smooth. But as you can see, let's continue.
Oh my God.
Hold on!
We're going too low.
I don't think I'm driving. You look happy.
So right here, it ends. And then the transitions right here.
Find out.
Look how
So,
small everything.
It's pretty good. Like, before you had to use like the last frame of the previous clip in order to generate with Seedance 2.0, and then
Always.
and this is cool. You can like keep doing that, and as long as you want, like keep extending, so you can generate unlimited amount of video length. And I'm gonna show you something really cool about the 30 seconds is that you can generate right here a really cool video. Let me show you this.
I'm Panya. Let's fly together.
So that's really cool, right? Cool use of 30 seconds, no cuts. The drone is flying behind me all the time. The camera is following me, and everything is coherent. I can't wait for the 1080p Seedance 2.5 and the 4K as well. I'm gonna show you this one also, the 30-second clip using two character reference right here. If you guys want to sign up for Hicksville, my link is down below. You can create movies, you can create advertising, and you can create clips, unlimited length. And thank me again in this video. So please give a like and subscribe for more helpful tips. Thank you guys for watching, and see you guys next video. Bye.